Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Westhampton Seabreeze Motel. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Westhampton Seabreeze Motel located in Westhampton, 13 miles from Splish Splash. Westhampton Seabreeze Motel provides accommodations with free Wi-Fi and free private parking. Complete with a private bathroom equipped with a shower and free toiletries, guest rooms at the motel have a flat-screen TV and air conditioning, and selected rooms include a seating area. At Westhampton Seabreeze Motel, every room is equipped with bed linen and towels. Long Island Railroad is 15 miles from the accommodation, while Agawam Park is 19 miles away. The nearest airport is Long Island MacArthur Airport, 24 miles from Westhampton Seabreeze Motel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.